I'm Chef Jean-Georges. I'm gonna demonstrate how to do shrimp on cabbage spring roll. So for the spring roll, I'm using a TJ wire spring roll wrapper. We're gonna add some egg wash to it. Then we're gonna add the shrimp. So this is a Napa cabbage, some chili in there a little bit for flavor. Then we're gonna make them very tight like this. Fold this over. Here we are. Here's our spring roll. Then we're gonna fry them at 375. Cut them. Then the secret sauce. Dip it in the mustard. Whoa, sweet, a little tart from the apricot, spicy from the mustard. So this is a collaboration with Williams Sonoma. Bon appetit.